Welcome to this edition of Outsourced Pharma Live 2023. I'm Louis Garguilo, Chief Editor. Thank you for being here. So, which CDMO is best for you? One answer is only you can determine that. Every drug or therapy sponsor is different. The variables are many. It's a very large and multifaceted question with numerous aspects to consider. This might just be the most important question you have to answer as a drug sponsor who needs to outsource for your chances of success and indeed survival. The good news, you're not alone, and our panel of professionals has come up with a way to break down that daunting question into constituent components to help you find the best fit, whether you're working with small or large molecules, cell or gene, or other advanced therapy medicinal products. Now, if you noticed in the subhead to today's session, we'll break this down into 4 areas for finding the right CDMO. First, and we've received a number of questions on this already from you when you registered, and thank you for that, the actual process for selection, which includes really the next 3 categories as well as a lot of other things we'll talk about. We're also going to focus in on determining the services you need and the customer service you should receive. Also, the talent at the CDMOs is now a major topic. Do your CDMOs have enough talent? Do they have the right talent? And then, of course, probably more today than ever before is evaluating the technology available at the CDMOs for your programs. Our experienced speakers today are Kenneth Locke, Vice President, Manufacturing and Supply Chain, Charisma Therapeutics; Joanne Valentino, Consultant, J.A. Valentino Consulting, former Novartis Executive Director; Marty Hughes, Senior Director of Technical Operations, Sidera Therapeutics; and Praveen Prasanna, Senior Director, External Manufacturing, Verve Therapeutics. Before turning to our experts, I'd like to thank our sponsor at Ajinomoto Biopharma Services, a CDMO with global locations providing comprehensive development, cGMP manufacturing, and aseptic fill-finish services for small and large molecule APIs and intermediates.